When you think that being a 1 or a 2 is not enough to practice your German language comprehension, you are wrong. Today we will check out short stories again, we will go through them, listening and talking about grammar and vocabulary, and you will see what you can do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, leave a feedback, a comment in the comments below to support this channel. Let's go! Wir hören den Text. Hast du all deine Dokumente dabei? Tano schaut in seinen Ordner. Ja, Moment, ich schaue mal. Also, meinen Pass, meine Immatrikulationsbescheinigung, meinen Mietvertrag, meine Geburtsurkunde. Das ist doch alles, oder? Das ist mehr als genug, meint Thomas trocken. Danke, dass du heute mitkommst. Keine Ursache. Eigentlich ist alles ganz einfach. Du wirst die Formulare ausfüllen und unterschreiben. Dann bekommst du eine Geldkarte per Post. Und danach bekommst du eine PIN, auch per Post, sagt Thomas. Aber wie das Online-Banking aktiviert wird, das weiß ich auch nicht genau. Da kann ich Ihnen vielleicht helfen, sagt die Bankkauffrau freundlich. Das Online-Banking kommt erst nach der Aktivierung des Kontos. Ich erkläre es Ihnen ganz genau. Folgen Sie mir bitte. Sie gehen gemeinsam in das kleine Büro der Filiale. Eigentlich möchte ich gar kein Online-Banking machen, denkt Tano leicht verärgert. Aber heutzutage geht ja alles nur noch automatisch. Wir lesen zusammen. This is the part where I speak English again and we try to figure out what we just heard. Don't be afraid of Daddy Does, just write your vocabulary in our notebook and learn them correct from the beginning. Link is in the description below. Thanks for supporting us. Okay, let's read the first line. Hast du all deine Dokumente dabei? Do you have all your documents with you? Dabei haben, you can view it as a separable verb. Dabei haben, to have something on you or with you. We can also say dabei sein, to be part of something. Bist du dabei? Are you joining? Are you part of it? So this goes together. Das Dokument, neutral, and then plural, die Dokumente. All means all. Maybe you also see it with alle. It's similar, it's synonymous. Hast du alle deine Dokumente dabei? Could be the same. Do you have all your documents? Next one. Tano schaut in seinen Ordner. Tano looks into his folder. Der Ordner, the folder. In seinen. Here we need Akkusativ, ja? In. It's a Wechselpräposition. Check out my A2 and A1 grammar series. Everything is explained there if you struggle with this. Ja, Moment, ich schau mal. Yes, one moment, der Moment. Ich schaue mal. I have a look. Mal gives it or emphasizes like a casual action. Also, well, meinen Pass, my passport, der Pass, mail, meine Immatrikulationsbescheinigung, my student ID or my student certification, die Bescheinigung, things that are ONG are always female, meinen Mietvertrag, my rental contract or lease, der Vertrag, it's male, der Vertrag, meine Geburtsurkunde, my birth certificate, die Urkunde, female. Okay, and everything here is in Akkusativ. The only reason that's the case is because the sentence is not complete. The subject and the verb is missing. He means to say, ich habe, I have, and then he counts the things he has. And this is why all those things are in Akkusativ. Das ist doch alles, oder? That is everything, right? Isn't it? Doch again for emphasis. Das ist mehr als genug. This is more than enough. Here we have the nice example of English-German being really similar. We literally have that is more than enough. One on one. Thomas says dry. Trocken by itself without context means dry. And in this case, it means like having a dry humor or making like a smart remark. Yeah, this kind of dry commentary. Danke, dass du heute mitkommst. Thanks for coming today. We have a das subordinate sentence. Das, this is why we have the verb at the end. Mitkommen, again, an separable verb, which means to come with somebody. So thanks for coming along, we could say. Keine Ursache. You're welcome. Eigentlich ist alles ganz einfach. Actually, everything is quite or very simple. Du wirst die Formulare ausfüllen und unterschreiben. You will fill out the forms and sign. Wirst, so werden plus infinitive is Futur 1. Luckily, the future or the future tense is really simple in German, not like the past tense. Next page. Dann bekommst du eine Geldkarte per Post. Then, and then we have verb subject because we have then in the beginning. Then you get a credit card, or not credit card, it's a electronic card in the mail. Per Post. Per is like via. And this is also future. The person will receive it. But here you can see really nice that we don't need the future tense to make a future statement. The Gegenwart, the now, is totally enough to make many future statements. Und danach bekommst du eine PIN. And then you will get a PIN. Auch per Post. Also via mail. Sagt Thomas, says Thomas. Aber wie das Online-Banking aktiviert wird, das weiß ich auch nicht genau. But how the online banking gets activated, aktiviert wird, this is passive, by the way. This is A2 plus grammar. Yeah, how the online banking gets activated, that I also do not know exactly. Das weiß ich auch. I don't know as well. Not exactly, nicht genau, das weiß ich auch nicht genau. Da kann ich Ihnen vielleicht helfen. There, or in this case, depends on how you want to translate it, I can help you maybe, vielleicht, maybe. And you see here we have the polite you in plural. The fact that this is plural is only from context because the polite addressing can also be in singular the same. It looks the same. Ich kann Ihnen helfen. It's also what we would say when only one person would stand in front of us. Sagt die Punk-Kauffrau freundlich. Says the bank lady friendly. Das Online-Banking kommt erst nach der Aktivierung des Kontos. The Online-Banking comes after the activation, Aktivierung of the Konto, of the account. So here we have a rare genitive. It's not that rare, but in comparison with dative and accusative, statistically speaking, it is rare. Erst is an emphasized word. It means comes only after. So first this must happen and then this next step will happen. Ich erkläre, we could also say erkläre. Ich erkläre es Ihnen ganz genau. I explain it to you very concrete, very clearly. By the way, the E here must be, but sometimes I write the short stories quickly, or I write them as I would write to a German person. And of course, we can also say ich erkläre, ich sag, and so on. The E is not always necessary, but please learn it the right way for now. And later, when you are fluent in German and you feel more safe, you can also say ich erkläre, ich sag, ich mach. Yeah, but not for now. Next one. Folgen Sie mir bitte. Please follow me. This is imperative, giving an order, and addressing in polite way. Again, two people, could also be one person, but we know it's two. And folgen Sie mir bitte ist Dativ. Jemandem folgen, to follow someone. Sie gehen gemeinsam in das kleine Büro der Filiale. Together they go into the little office of the branch. Die Filiale, female. Eigentlich möchte ich gar kein Online-Banking machen. To be honest, actually, in fact, I don't want to make online banking. Gar kein is an emphasized not at all. Yeah, I don't want to do this actually. It's like really a strong negative term if you use it this way. Gar kein. Denkt Tano leicht verärgert. Tano thinks slightly angry or annoyed, we would say. So leicht, you have learned this as an adjective, means light. So for example, the book bag is light, die Tasche ist leicht, but here it's like an adverb and it gives the degree of his emotion. Ja, slightly annoyed, a little bit annoyed. Aber heutzutage geht hier alles nur noch automatisch. But nowadays, heutzutage, everything goes only automatically. Nur noch is again an emphasize. We can also say Heutzutage geht alles nur automatisch, only automatically, but the nur noch makes it stronger. And the ja is also something that's not translatable. You will hear it all the time. It doesn't mean yes. It doesn't mean yes in this case, but it means a strong emphasizing on trying to explain a situation, a circumstance, and which is the opposite of what we just talked about. So he said he doesn't want to do online banking. This is like the first statement. I don't want to do it. But everything is automatically. So this ja is trying to give the reason for something opposite being the case of what we just said. Not translatable in English. Okay, this is it for today. Thanks for being here, watching with me, learning with me. Don't forget to like, subscribe, keep learning. Leave your comments also, your questions, feedback, maybe a story idea, anything you want, or a topic you want to discuss. I try to do them, and of course to do them like you want me to. The more feedback I have, the better. And I will see you very soon. Bye!